SANUS full motion TV mount. 42 to 90-inch TVs, smooth, tilt, and swivel, DIY friendly. Tired of battling glare, awkward angles, or bulky TV stands? Struggling to find a mount that supports your massive TV without sagging or wobbling can be frustrating. Wasting hours on flimsy brackets or complicated installs blocks your enjoyment and stresses your space. It's time for a secure, flexible solution that turns every viewing angle into perfection. Crushing movie nights, sports marathons, and binge sessions are ruined by limited motion or unstable mounts. A poorly mounted TV leads to neck strain, missed details, and constant readjustments. When your screen dominates your living space, you need precision, stability, and fluid movement that keeps up with your lifestyle, without sacrificing safety or style. Meet the SANUS VLF728 full motion TV wall mount, engineered for TVs from 42 to 90 inches and up to 125 pounds. Its fluid motion design allows effortless extension up to 28 inches, smooth swivel up to 57 degrees in either direction, and tilt up to 15 degrees for glare-free viewing. The steady set functionality ensures your TV stays perfectly in place, while its ultra-strong steel frame and brushed steel finish provide maximum support and a modern aesthetic. One homeowner shared, "Pulling the TV out to watch from the kitchen changed family movie night completely." Installation is intuitive with a 3-step DIY process, and integrated cable management keeps wires invisible. Designed for large, heavy TVs, this mount combines professional-grade durability with effortless adjustability, letting you fine-tune every viewing angle while maintaining a sleek, low-profile appearance against the wall. Experience perfect positioning, smooth motion, and rock-solid stability with the SANUS VLF728. Experts praise its robust steel construction, full motion articulation, and slim low-profile design, making it ideal for large TVs. Influencers highlight, the mount's extension and swivel capabilities make open-plan living effortless, while users report, every adjustment is smooth, precise, and safe, even with our 75-inch TV. The mount's 57 degrees swivel, 15 degrees tilt, and 28-inch extension allow viewing from multiple angles, reducing glare and creating an immersive experience. Its integrated cable management keeps your setup clean and organized, while the steady set function prevents drifting or accidental movement. Many stories abound from living rooms and open kitchens, showcasing effortless repositioning for family gatherings, sports, and movie nights. Reviewers agree that the brushed steel finish elevates room aesthetics while providing professional-grade durability. Whether installing above a fireplace, in a wide living room, or a media room, the SANUS mount delivers versatility, stability, and peace of mind. Long-term users report flawless operation over years, with zero creaking, slipping, or wear, an investment in both function and style that keeps your TV secure, adjustable, and sleek. Don't compromise on safety, style, or flexibility. Secure your SANUS full motion TV mount today. Limited stock is available for families, home theater enthusiasts, and DIYers seeking smooth tilt, swivel, and extension for large TVs. Join thousands of satisfied users who've elevated their viewing experience. With fluid motion design, steady set stability, premium steel construction, and integrated cable management, this mount transforms your space effortlessly. Act now, enjoy perfect angles, and make every movie night, game, or binge session flawless.